In this short video, I'll show you how to use AI to turn a simple viewport screenshot from Blender into something like this, or this, or even this. All the models and renders you see are AI generated. No texturing or environment modeling needed. So, what's going on here? About a month ago, Black Forest Labs released an AI model called Flux Kontext. It's not for making images from scratch. It's built for editing existing ones. I tested it, got great results, and thought, what if I use it to enhance my 3D renders? That's when things got interesting. There are two ways to use Flux Kontext. The easiest is through app.scenario.com. Runs in your browser, no installation, and you are creating in seconds. You are not limited to one model. You can switch between several with one click, each giving a totally different look. That's how I made most of the renders in this video. It's super convenient for experimenting or quickly iterating. It includes all 4 image editing models. Image generation requires a subscription, but I asked the developer for free access for my viewers, and he agreed. The first 100 people who use my promo code will get $5 in credits, which is about 50 images in Flux Kontext. I'm just waiting for them to set up their promo code, and I'll pin it in the comments once it's ready. They also mentioned that they'll soon offer a few free generation chances for new accounts. Okay, if you have a high-end PC, you can run Flux Kontext locally. It's open source and works with comfy UI. Since this video is about showing what it can do for 3D workflows, I'll link the install guide in the comments. There are already plenty of YouTube tutorials. I tried it locally, it works well, though setup took a few hours. Okay, here is the scene 1. I rendered the viewport, uploaded it, used this prompt, and here's what I got. I tried GPT-Image, OpenAI's model. It gave me a totally different vibe, more creative. Flux Kontext was more conservative, keeping the original details intact. I tweaked the prompt for more variations. Is it perfect? No. Is it cool? Definitely. Check out the AI lighting, reflections, and shadows. Prompts and settings are on screen. Only limitation is that AI ignores real-world dimensions, even with measurements in meters. It just does its own thing. Okay, here's the scene 2. Scorpion model. I ran both Flux Kontext and GPT-Image. Flux gave me more consistent, predictable results this time. Here's a character model. Both models handled it well, but creative touch of GPT-Image gave a more polished final look. A military boot rendered in different environments. For product rendering or photography, this is huge. Tons of variety with minimal effort. Sketch to render. From a rough sketch to a 3D style render. Started as black and white lines, didn't expect results this good. For better results, upload a render with at least basic textures, instead of a raw viewport shot. You can also edit real-life photos. When prompting, describe by color. For example, make the green object metallic, or make the red one wooden. This works surprisingly well. That's it. Hope this gave you ideas to try, and maybe share your results in comments. If you liked it, hit like and subscribe. More content is coming on 3D modeling, art, and AI tools. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Take care.